Yamwache bi mu akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumade eso nsamosie no na braso sauti bi ne etodwa mu bi eni mampani John Dramani Mahama de ato mensina krache mpanifo ni nyina ni assembly no obi bia ne dansi ba bi esi nsuo kwan no wohwe no wonyi firi ho yede no ebebremo na fe yakọ road minister so de eto contractor woyo fanko nsawam kwantempo no eni di mo sanko onkoto na dwuma so sabro na kasa ama okwakoye na dwuma no nsem bi na no pay medebro o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 oko YouTube search Adom TV Tube adomonline.com nsem we ni bebre so ewo ho medindi afia amankwa tamaklo mame faseda mama Joy Trish oko Instagram ne Facebook ama Joy Trish wormunta de bako ene hyemi afia ni de mientie se de nsem no etie Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama de ato metropolitan municipal ne district assemblies ne nyina ni mu se wonya ne a wo betumi ani ya nsu tobre mu ani yewura no adan bia ne bibi esi nsu ano kwan no wonhwe so mbeyidi afiri ho no mo se be ya nsu yira nsu tokuma bia eyiri faye no ebeba fom.
To my relatives and elders, I am indebted to you for the encouragement and the benevolent support. I hope to count on your continued wise counsel and support as we embark on the journey to bring sustainable growth and development to our dear district. I will continue to call on you for advice and kind support in the achievement of our set goals and objectives. Further, to the Honorable Member of Parliament, I wish to respectfully extend my heartfelt gratitude to His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama for nominating me for the position of district representative for our dear district. I am humbled by the opportunity offered me to represent you at the local level. I am grateful for the confidence you place in me. I want to assure you of my commitment and dedication towards the resetting agenda and the fulfillment of the aspirations of our people. To my honorable assembly members, I am overwhelmed by your massive support.
Ntiani we no Alfredo di klu ya you know say won kohwe agoti mezope mensino assembly na wote say o kasa na fe yenkotie ya mampani John Dramani Mahama ne nsema wode to assembly ni nyina ni mu se dan bia ne bibi esi su ano kwan yenyi free ho no yenkotie.
If you build and block a stream, the water will still come. But when it comes and it can't pass, what will it do? It will flood its banks. That's all that is happening in this city. And that's why we're asking the regional minister and the district chief executives to take a very tough stand on people whose properties are blocking waterways. Because they're creating distraction for other people's properties and even loss of lives. Sometimes when it floods heavily, we lose human lives.
Osan editor incrementum swafo ene assembly bejokwa hodo nyina nim so homodi anso bemo ni ayedin na adan ya esi nsu kwan mu no obedwiri ni nyina gu abra wonhwe nipakoro enim kra na san wetu sa na mo no.
I would have thought that the contractors would take advantage of the dry season and work as quickly as possible so that we would have been ahead with these projects right now, but unfortunately that hasn't happened. It is just people building walls across or building their properties in the waterway that is causing flooding to their neighborhood and all that. And as I said on the day of the Eid al-Fitr, we're going to mark all those waterways, and any person whose property is in the waterway, the property will be taken out.
Yentwa so for share ya kwantempo so de to adwumaku a won na yo fanko nsawam kwantempo no so se onko na onko hye ne nyuma se na wo twena wie yentem panifo no ni hia ye ka bia na aban de no $45 million won mo adi ho nkomonti e wo so okọ na okọ hye adwuma na se.
The Ofanko Sawam road has been abandoned for some time. We've been having discussions with the contractor and we came to a conclusion that effective immediately. They should mobilize to site starting this afternoon. Whilst we conclude on the modalities to pay them. And they have agreed. So those who are frustrated, and government is aware and feels the pain of residents and commuters who use that corridor, that help is on its way. I expect Maripoma to effective immediately start remobilizing to site, and within 3 days we should see action towards completing that project. So the dust and all the unsafe conditions will be addressed shortly. So
remobilizing to site with what commitment? You
Enye no Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pe ye de sie ye da semre ne adaje a wode ma ye de bonkrata na to so twen sisi a ye kwaba